to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app, and in this video I will show you how to cancel a refund request from any store or 168 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to open up my 168 Chinese shopping app right here. So allow this 168 app to load up. Having opened up your 168 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to your profile. Just like so. Here you will need to track the refund progress from your dashboard right here of 168. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive in. So the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on your refund progress bar right here. And here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the product that you asked for refund for. So I'm going to click on the product link right here. Then you have the refund detail right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on revoke refund right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to cancel the refund. And the refunds have been successfully cancelled. By the time you go back to your refund bar right here, and then you can see the refund here of that particular product will no longer be found right here as a refund. Then it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.